Hi folks, just finished this air source heat pump installation in Holbeath in Dunfermline. As you can see, it's on the now and you can barely hear it, so people that say it's noisy, it's not really true. I'm not going to lie, it's really heavy. These are around 200 kilo, these twin fan units, so it's a nightmare to move about. And that's your wee anti-freeze valves with the little insulation jackets on them. That's the primary pro stuff, so that's the proper stuff for the outside. It'll no degrade, nothing like that. It's all sealed, all bonded and sealed. Yep. So yeah, quiet, really quiet. That's it running full pelt. As you can see, the air's pushing that wee plant there. And obviously it's a Valiant, so bit of quality there. And a really good backup service. Customer got 7,500 towards this because we are MCS registered, so it was a really good scheme there that helped him out with the cost of this. If it's something you're interested in, then please do give us a call, and we'll come out and we'll see if your property is suitable.